right? Relax, take it off, whatever. I will be in my office during the lecture time. If you have any questions, stop by and see me. I'll be there all day today for those of you who have lab tomorrow if you want to ask questions. So I will be around a lot this week in order to get your questions answered, okay? Procedure we usually do. When you first get there, log in. For those of you who have Macintosh computers and you want to bring them, that is fine. I don't care. Bring your Macs. The thing you will be doing is emailing or submitting the DWG to your TA. That's the last thing you need to do, okay? So if you're used to the Mac, I want you to be comfortable in drawing these things, bring them with you, power them up so you don't run out of batteries, right, during the time. But you can bring the Macintosh, don't care. Log in first thing. I would suggest getting there early. I'm one of those that you get there early, great. If you get there an hour late, you have an hour to do your midterm. Okay? Because there are classes right after yours, you got to get in and you got to get out. And if the class before yours is taking more than their fair share of time, at 20 after, I would walk in and I would demand them to get off. Because you got to get on and get ready to go. Right? You'll get a sheet of paper like this. This was from the fall of 2010, I believe, way back when. All right? A problem, which you have to combine the sketching and the AutoCAD for. Everything's in AutoCAD, folks. As much as I appreciate your sketching abilities, you gotta combine the two, okay? Does not hurt to bring a sheet of paper to sketch on if you want, okay? That's okay. Other than that, everything else goes off the table there. Don't write on this one because I'm a huge tree hugger, like to save trees. So, one section, first class on Tuesday, turn it back in with the exception your name will be placed somewhere up in the upper right-hand corner. That's the only thing you can write on, all right? The sheet of paper is for you. If you are the last section of the day, have fun with the sheet of paper. Don't care. Write all you want on it. But you better be the last sheet or section of the day, okay? Beyond that, follow the directions. Front, top, right side, or front, top, left side. Pay attention. In the lower corner, actually on the back. On the back of this thing, you will have a couple of things. A, you'll have a table of hole sizes. I think there's 4 on yours. It will give you the actual size of that hole. The location might be there in the words, or it might be dimensioned on the actual problem. Okay? Along with that, it will give you a locating size or locating drawing. In other words, I want you to locate your front view at 0, 0, 0. I want you to locate your right side view at, 24, 0. And I want you to locate your top view at 32, 0. Or 0, 32, right? Put them in those locations. Exactly. All right? That's what's on the back side. On the front, you'll notice the problem. I also give you a rear look at it in the lower right-hand corner to help clarify what's going on back there. Beyond that, directions are there. You will get a, 20-minute warning. When you have 20 minutes left, I would strongly stop what you're drawing and get everything done in the layout space. The layout stuff is the easy 40, 45 points, whatever it's going to be. Click on layout, go through that whole procedure of getting to the right paper size, which you see your section identified, as well as what scale you have to have it at. if you did everything correctly, locating the front view, top view, and right side, paper size of the scale will be accurate, and it should closely fill the entire page, okay? Center up your drawing, put text on it, front view, top view, right side, even if it's just F, T, and RS, don't care. Label them with your name there somewhere. Easy 40 points, 45, whatever it's going to be, okay? Then, last thing, save it, exit out of AutoCAD. Once you exit, I told you, AutoCAD likes to write a little bit of information to the file before it closes. If you attach that DWG while it's open to your TA, it locks it and we can't open it. And you get what you get, right? You can't see the file or open it, sorry, out of luck. So please, exit out of AutoCAD and then attach the file, or then drop it into Chen's Dropbox, whatever, okay? Whatever she's having you do. Beyond that, fairly straightforward. The object, I think, the outline is fairly simple. It's the hidden lines that are going to cause you problems, okay? I mean, quickly, I made it, of course. I was able to get most of the outline, or all the outline, done in like 15 minutes. So the outline is fairly straightforward and easy to get. Focus on the things you can do. You're looking at holes in this case. This upper hole here. If you see it from the front view, it's just going to be the square. That's easy, right? 3, 4 points right there. What you'll end up getting when you're done is something that looks like this. That's the answer key and a point value. I know it's hard to see. Let me zoom in on one part. There we go. Okay? Point value for everything. So get the stuff done that you can and that you know is accurate. And then beyond that, work on the stuff that's a little more challenging. The whole stuff, you know, this slot cutting through this thing right here. All right, if you can't fit it in the top view, you definitely can get it in the front view. Anytime you're looking at a hole straight on, it's going to be true shape, right? And that's the whole concept here. Get stuff done that you know you can do, and then move on to the stuff that you can spend a little more time on, okay? Beyond that, I got nothing else to help you with, all right, Dan? Nothing else to tell you in terms of the midterm. Is it challenging? Yeah, this one was somewhat challenging back in the 2010. Do you have any questions? Question and answer day.
So if you're missing a line, obviously you get the point, but what if you have an extra line that you don't need?
Well,
you get it off how much?
You know, when I started doing this, there's this little thing here that said, extra lines, -2 points. Okay? And I used to take them off. Boom, boom, boom. Until one year, one young man got a -25 points on the whole exam because he had so many extra lines. He thought, oh, I'll just add a bunch and like, nah, we got to stop it at a certain point. Okay? So, yeah, there is a bit up to a certain point. Okay? And you can see the other stuff. Incorrect views drawn. You draw the front top and the right side. That's not the front top and the right side. Then you draw the left side. Yeah. Pay attention to where the front view orientation is. It's very exact. There's no mistaking what you have to draw. Other than that, I don't think there was anything else. Extra lines and incorrect views, those are the biggies. Yeah.
What if instead of putting in like a hidden line, we just have a regular line, but it's in the right place?
That's a good question. Nobody's ever thought of that or did that. Most of the time, what I tend to do, and I tell my TAs to do, if it's the correct line but the wrong line type, okay, I tell them take like half off
Alright.
for it, basically. They knew something was supposed to go there. They either didn't have time to change it to a hidden line or, you know, forgot about it. So obviously they know it's there. And I personally, I usually add up the ones that are correct line location but incorrect line type, and sort of add them all up and then say that's half of what you get. All right. Other issues, questions? 2 hours goes quick, folks. I can tell you that. If you have done everything to date, you should get done without any problems. All right? If you had help, when I mean help, I mean other people doing the stuff for you. That's fine with me too. Gets you through that part, but won't get you through this. Okay? This is specifically designed for that. All right? Back in the back.
Is there going to be any dimensioning? Like, are we going to have to do like
You
dimension?
do not have to dimension. You do not have to put center lines on. All you got to do is draw it, get the hidden lines in there, put it on a layout, and you're done. And text. Okay?
Do you mind going over the layout, because like sometimes I get confused about like
Sure.
how to change the scale.
Layout stuff. Let's go to the AutoCAD version then here. All right. Let's just start a new drawing. And I really don't care what's on it. We'll just get it open. As soon as it opens. All right. So we got a box.